A straight shot, and it's a dot delivery. Oh, that's an uppercut. Cuts it away, sliced it away from Ashkar Ali. Boundary rope upper beyond the boundaries. Charles takes a one-hand catch, and you will get a 50 rupees. Looks like there is some kind of a sound is there, but not sure whether it's from the bat or what. 3.3, 47 for 2, 47 2, 3 over 3 പന്ത്.